sa MySQL na to. Another directory na pupuntahan natin. So go, then click. Then after that, nakapasok na tayo sa MySQL bin naman. Bin directory. Alright? So double click ko din ang bin directory. At ito na po yung magiging correct path natin wherein you're going to type to your command prompt. Okay? So drive C XAMPP MySQL bin. Ayan. You may screenshot this so that as your guide later on for ano ko din pala yung off ko na yung camera ko. Yeah, sorry. Yan, this will be your path for the DOS command. Now I'm going to type that similar path in my DOS command for me to access MySQL. So first is CD. Change, CD means change directory. Backslash is to go back to the drive C. No? To remove the previous directory. So enter. As you can see, I already now in the drive C alone directory. No? And now this is where you command what? The CD XAMPP, which is your first directory, and going to the second directory, which is MySQL, and the next directory is bin. So this is what we checked earlier, the correct path, which I'm now following. No? Then once you are sure with the path, correct path, you press enter. And now you are in with the XAMPP inside the bin, the last folder or directory. And this is where we're going to type your MySQL-u root-p. So this is where you can call the executable MySQL. So you type MySQL-u is for the username, going to your root, and -p is for the password, to access the password. Now, once you have this, press enter, and you will have this enter password. And now, I don't have my password, so I'll just press enter, and it will direct you to your MySQL. Supposedly, it will go directly to the MySQL, but we have an error here. What is the cause of this error? Because our XAMPP controller is not yet has not yet started. So ano po yun? Ano naging error, sir? Itong MySQL ko ay hindi pa nakastart. So we need to start pala for us to activate the command execution. No? So we will start now. This one we will click start. Just click start. And yes, so this will be your indicator that when you see the color green and there's no error here, it is now activated, and it shows also here below that your MySQL status change detected and running. So this is the indicator that your XAMPP